Papa Zulu, hold short of runway 28.
Hold short, Papa Zulu.
Swift 950 Foxtrot, maybe take Hotel 2.
Hotel 2 approved.
That's it.
Hotel Bravo Juliet Lima Mike, wind 040 degrees 4 knots, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Takeoff 28, Bravo.
Eurowings 9 Tango Tower hello, behind the Swiss ahead, line up and wait, runway 28 behind.
Bravo.
Eurowings 9 Tango, wind 340 degrees 3 knots, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 28, Eurowings 9 Tango.
Eurowings 728 Zurich Tower hello, behind the Helvetica ahead, line up and wait, runway 28 behind.
Behind the Helvig, landing up runway 28 behind, Eurowings 728.
Heli Victor Whiskey, you will leave the frequency. Delta Foxtrot Uniform Lima India, wind 130 degrees 3 knots, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Tower hello,
3 Victor Delta, Tower hello. Hotel Romeo Whiskey, line up and wait, runway 28.
Line up and wait, runway 28, Hotel Romeo Whiskey.
Tiger 2 Kilo Papa, Tower hello, behind the Embraer
6969.
Swiss 4 Victor Hotel, wind 040 degrees 5 knots, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 28, cleared for takeoff, Swiss 4 Victor Hotel.
Edelweiss 120 Romeo, Tower hello, behind the Swiss from the other side, line up and wait, runway 28 behind.
Let's see, behind the Swiss from the other side, runway 28 behind, Edelweiss 120 Romeo.
Tower Korea Delta 17
Korean 917 Zurich Tower hello. Swiss 2 Papa Alpha on taxiway Juliet, cross runway 28, contact apron 121 755.
Juliet, Juliet 121 Papa, Swiss 2 Papa.
Departure order, Swiss 4 Victor Hotel.
Korean 917, wait runway 28 behind.
With noise off behind the Edelweiss from the other side, lining up and waiting runway 28 behind with 3 Yankee Alpha.
Swiss 969 on taxiway Juliet, cross runway 28, contact apron 121 755. Ade.
On Juliet, cross 28, 12185, correction 755. This number is 969.
Swiss
Good day, 929 Quebec Sierra, iOS 14.
November 929 Quebec Sierra Tower hello. Edelweiss 120 Romeo, wind 040 degrees 5 knots, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Direct, clear for takeoff, Edelweiss 120 Romeo.
Korean